Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, TSI, SE 95 PS. The car's a cracker, and it has a good spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, front and rear parking sensors, an anti-lock braking system, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, and that all goes with these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. The boot as well is a good size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, a composition media system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into West Volkswagen Newbridge.